You know what's nuts? I came across this concept that one Harvard PhD called one of the most mind-blowing observations in understanding the nature of our reality. But if me and you tried looking at it, we'd get nothing, because there's a lot about our reality that is gate-kept by the limits of our brain. Now, I'm not a physicist, but I like to know about the nature of our reality. This video is an attempt to imagine what's outside this window that both me and you are not tall enough to look out of. And if you are a theoretical physicist that can explain this concept better to a general population, please do, because I can't find a thing. It's called Bott Periodicity. Now, imagine this. In a different version of Earth, some hyperdimensional beings come and open up a hotel with an infinite set of rooms that scientists were welcome to walk through and study. They say it'll help us understand the nature of our reality a bit better. The thing is, every time you went to the next room, it added an extra dimension of reality to the room. So an infinite set of rooms, and every time you go to the next room, another dimension of reality gets added. Now, by the time scientists make it to room number 12, they begin to notice something strange. Even though they are now seeing the room in the 12th dimension, the way the room appears is eerily similar to room number 4 in the 4th dimension. They go to room number 13 and are shocked to find that it is also similar to room number 5 in the 5th dimension. In other words, every 8 rooms or dimensions they enter, they see this repeating pattern of contents in the room. This is an analogy to what Bott discovered with Bott Periodicity, proving that a structure exhibits repeating patterns every 8 dimensions it's projected over, and it blew away a lot of smart cookies. When I saw this, I immediately thought of an octave in music, because guess how many notes are in an octave? 8 when it repeats. And nature is full of repetition in our dimensional domains, at least. Orbital patterns repeat, the economy is periodic, the way that atoms are structured repeats at larger scales, and heck, even our history repeats or rhymes. But it absolutely butted me to consider that something similar may be happening across such abstract concepts like space and time. Even things that we think are so fundamental, like a dimension of space, could just be middle C and A major on a keyboard. And this is what it means, to me at least. These observations hint to us all the existence of these hidden symmetries that govern the structure of our reality. I like to say reality, not universe, because when saying universe, you think of this, but this is not reality. This is not it. Like to a fish, the ocean is its universe, so the fish should have a better phrase to describe the true reality, or it, or other. And if you think, okay, so what? This is all beyond me. Well, no, because you yourself are projected across these dimensions, right? Isn't what you currently perceive as your being and identity just projected across 3 dimensions, or notes, in an infinite set of notes that we now realize repeats? And why do these things even repeat in structure every 8 iterations? Could all this just be some huge exaggeration, just derived from some maths? Or could it hint at maybe even a deeper structure to reality from which dimensions emerge? Who knows? Who knows? But I guess when you think you got things figured out, maybe leave some room for the cake.
This video doesn't have a proper ending, but if you continue to support me, then I could probably get better videos, which is almost as good as proper endings.